Welcome to your dreamy Paris getaway. Picture this, the city of love, lights, and endless enchantment. Let's dive into the must-visit spots that will make your romantic vacation unforgettable. First stop, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Imagine a romantic dinner at its summit, with the entire city sparkling beneath you. The warm glow of the tower, the exquisite French cuisine, and the breathtaking views create the perfect setting for a magical evening. Next, let's venture to the opulent Palace of Versailles. Stroll hand in hand through the magnificent Hall of Mirrors and the sprawling gardens. The palace whispers tales of royal romance and grandeur at every turn. For art lovers, the Louvre Museum is a must. Get lost together in the world's largest art museum, marveling at masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Every corner of this museum tells a story, and it's an adventure waiting to be shared. Don't miss the majestic Arc de Triomphe. Climb to the top for a panoramic view of Paris, where you can see the city's heart laid out before you. It's a moment to capture and cherish. Notre Dame Cathedral, with its stunning Gothic architecture, is next on our list. Although it's currently under restoration, its beauty and history still captivate. Standing in front of this masterpiece, you'll feel the echoes of centuries past. Take a romantic day trip to Mont Saint Michel. This island commune is like stepping into a fairy tale. Wander through its narrow streets, explore the abbey, and enjoy the stunning coastal views. It's a magical escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. For an unforgettable dining experience, visit an Art Nouveau restaurant. Picture yourself in a beautifully ornate setting, savoring delicious French cuisine. It's a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Hop on a big bus tour for a leisurely exploration of Paris. The hop-on, hop-off feature allows you to experience the city's landmarks at your own pace. It's a fantastic way to see the sights without the stress of navigation. And finally, end your trip with a romantic Seine River dinner cruise. Glide along the river, passing by illuminated landmarks, while enjoying a gourmet meal. The soft music, the gentle sway of the boat, and the sparkling city lights make it a night to remember. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting facts. Thanks for watching.